So check it out, guys. We've left it out for about a week. Everything is dried out, ready to go. This should work phenomenally. So in this video though, today what we're gonna try to do here, back in the day we did do a burnt style tip on this, where you would take a propane torch and really heat this up, polish it up, and you get a nice bluish metallic finish. However, over time, this is the result of it. Neglection, haven't been polishing it. So today what we're gonna do, we are going to sand this down. We're gonna try to re-burn it with the torch, polish it up real good, and we'll see what kind of results we get. So stay tuned for the final result. What you guys really need for this simple project would be some sandpaper, some chrome polish, and the torch so the metal gets hot enough to turn blue. So here we go. First, we're gonna start by sanding it down. Wow, what a big difference sanding makes. Once you sanded it down, you can dry sand it, wet sand it, and once that's ready, you're gonna wanna take your propane torch, fire it up. Now this is gonna take some time for the metal to heat up and properly burn the tips, so stay consistent. Wow, and there you have it, guys. What a difference that makes. Look at that tip. What a difference. We're gonna let this tip cool down, and once that's ready, we're gonna utilize that polish, clean it up, protect the coating. Now this works, as you can see. The thing is, unless you keep polishing it once or every two times a week, this is slowly gonna rust up a little bit, and this burnt design is gonna fade away, as you saw earlier in this video. But if you guys want a cool, cheap design, and if you are able to polish it up, it can remain in this condition, and it looks pretty cool. And again, it's just a factory exhaust. Alright guys, as you can see here, got the little blue burnt tip here. Nice little addition, especially to the blue color here of the car. Let me know what you guys think. As always, when you change exhaust or do anything with an exhaust, start it up, let it run, check for exhaust leaks. You can see that there's definitely vapors coming out of here. Exhaust is positioned. Well, that's a fail. As you guys can see, I'm turning the exhaust here. This is turning as well. Well guys, that is gonna be a fail. I don't think this is gonna last too long. After putting the exhaust in, it was still moving, so I was able to tighten the last bolt and the first bolt, and it definitely sealed everything up, and I wasn't able to move the muffler anymore. But I was unable to tighten this one, so as a precaution I removed the axle back again. We're gonna tighten this one up and we should be good to go. After some tightening, as you can see, I could try turning the muffler. Everything's rock solid. There's no leaks anywhere. You don't hear air hissing. So that's it, guys. We got the burnt tip. We got the ghetto fabbed exhaust. That's it for this Sunday. Stay tuned for more videos.